the demonstration that's shaking up the typewriter world.
Quix is electronic. It has a host of automatic...
We asked 100 executives and secretaries to see a demonstration of Quix, the intelligent typewriter.
Plays back from memory at 300 words a minute.
Quix can be upgraded. We won't have to buy typewriters every few years.
85 out of 100 said they'd want their next typewriter to be a Quix. Before you order your next typewriter, be sure to see a Quix demonstration. Quix, it's a tiger of a typewriter. From Exxon Information Systems.